Okay, you guys. Oh man, I just went to Walmart by my house. They have Mix 41er. You guys go check your Walmarts right now. Look at this Bad Company, the holographic one, the hologram one. It doesn't look holographic, but we'll see right now. Bad Company. There's the new trucks. Gravedigger 25th anniversary. Excalibur, Son of a Deer, which I won't be getting. Racing Stripes. Thunder Royce Chase Piece. Dragon Electro Crew. I want the Kane one, the K-Rex. That's the one I'm after. And the JCB Digatron. That one looks so cool. Can't wait to see it in person. So I have a whole bunch of nice trucks today. Even a lot of Hot Wheels mod trucks, but I want to get these first. There's none of these. I'll get the Hot Wheels one. Let's go and unbox this. I want to keep the card intact because I want to use it to cross out the other trucks when I buy it. Oh wow, it actually, oh wow, that feels weird. It feels like really smooth. Here's guys. Look at this. Bad Company. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Bad Company. Look at this. With the eyeball in the front, the cards. Bad Company. Look at that paint though. That is so cool. Look at this. And then orange roll cage. BKT tires, orange rims and bead locks, black chassis. There's a Scott Hartsock slinger. Here it is. Long live Scott Hartsock slinger. Taillight printing. Look at that design though. It's so cool. I love this truck. So, if you guys don't have this truck, go pick it up because it is a beautiful truck. Like, subscribe, comment, share us more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.